Let me create a database. For creating a database, we have to use the command create database. Okay. Chị ubra? Anh type cho chị ubra. Uika. Create database ama sage haita di use the syntax create. Okay. Create database. So like the name of the database is I put as class semicolon enter. So query, okay, one row affected. Now you have successfully created a database name class. Class haiba database ama same e bas ko. Like sheda aina hire gya. One database ama same e ba ina. Ko si round just aina round oina same. Database ama later si kok ta mani container amani. The name of database is I have given as class aina thole ba uji. Ko si ji maming class ko re uji database container ji maming ko class ki manung je da I want to create some more, I want to put some more tables. Okay. So according to my requirement, I need like 3 tables. Okay. 3 tables, 3 tables mung da sigi database mung tham doi ne ba. Adu ta di database to huji create tawre de khange. Ko kamaina yeng jige. So databases hai ka tawa sida. So databases hai ko aina database show tawre hai. So syntax is for showing those databases which are in your MySQL software. So I have already created one database name MCA, MAC, then now class. Other databases are along with the system, is along with the already in the system. Okay, when you install this MySQL software, you can see this different databases name. Okay, so for the time being, I have created a database name class. Now class is here. You can see the class here. This is the name of the database. Just now only I have created. Ubra che? Ure ko? The database ama kamai create we have to khange adai kamai na yengi whether is in your software or not. System de nangi software do yaw bra nangi have the yeng na bagini sina. Adagidi now I want to use the database. Database sisina ba pa ba. Inside the database I want to keep many more tables. So table duk database du manung da thamge hai ta di chi manung da thamge hai ta di aina da chi manung da hana changba ma darkar ta dra changba darkar ta ko aduna kamai chang doi no karamba database no aina create tau du table hai ta di use class database change huji karamba database da is change tau gare means now we are inside the
class.
That means that class is the name of the database. Okay. Si class hai je atopa mami hoina sisina ge sisina ko class hai je object oriented there is a one syntax for giving the for declaring the class haina syntax ama lei ko ang lei ko class declare ta bugi da ko aduna classes adugumba word to yare ge sisina gano but here I have already used sisina gre hadu yare ado now let's create a table. The table name number 1 daina table ama semaji table do min kai ko jiga student have a table ama semaji wa yare the class database ni number 1 da student have a table ama semaji ko student have a table da si table je min student ko wi student table ama seme table using the syntax here also create table. Then next name, give the table name. What is the table name now?
Student.
Student. Inside that student, how many columns are there? That means how many attributes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 attributes. The first attribute name is name. Second one is roll
Roll
number.
number.
Third one is class.
Class.
Fourth one is address.
Address.
So before creating the table attributes, we have to know which data type we are going to use. Name means letter or word, right? Character name. That means the data type will be Barker. Barker, in the case of the Barker, you can use both integer and the character. Barker, okay. Then for the roll number is a number. Like roll number cannot be float, right? So that means roll number is integer. Then class. Class also, that is like letter, character, that means Barker. Address also Barker. Okay. So use a bracket here. So the first attribute is name. The data type of name is Barker. Barker 2 also there. Barker 2 will give more space. Okay, just for time being, just use the Barker. So the size of the data type, let's give 20. Okay. Then next is roll number. Roll number. We cannot write like this. Okay. Only one word. Underscore number. Then data type is integer. Okay. Then blank of the, let's give 20, blank of the data type. Then next is class. Let's say section instead of class, semester. Same. Second. Then semester, same, that is Barker. Then let's give the same number 20. Then next is address. Address is also letter, character only, Barker. Let's give the size 20, all 20, okay. So ended with the semicolon. Semicolon, this is just like a statement. While writing a program, we use the statement. So ending of the statement means it is ended with the semicolon.
Semicolon.
Right? Like that here also. The query, this is known as the query syntax. Okay, it's ended with the semicolon. Okay, there is no error. Query okay, 0 row affected, 1 warning. But this is nothing. Okay, 0 row affected means we are just creating the structure. Only the schema we are creating. Okay, there is no information inside the table. Then let's insert this information, this data inside the table. So that means how to insert? We have to use a command insert. Insert into. It's just like a English language. Okay, we are going to insert in the information into the table. That means we use the insert into table, the name of the table. That is
Student.
What is the name of the table?
Student.
Student. student. Insert into student. We are going to insert the values, the information. That's why we are going to use one more word, values. Insert into student, values. We have to see the area where we are going to insert the information. Okay, the first attribute is name, so we have to insert here the name of the person. Okay, that means name of the person is character, so we have to use this double quote. Okay, so here Tomba, then closing. Okay, then the comma, here also it is comma. Okay, separated by comma between the attributes. Okay, then roll number, just give roll number 1. 1 is integer, no need for using the double quote. Then the next is semester, is second sem. Okay, so this is also letter only, MCA second. Yeah, then address, Uripo, this also character. Close with the bracket here. It is opening with the first bracket, then the closing here, closing bracket. Okay, ended with the semicolon. Enter. The one row affected. That means we have inserted one row. One row means what row? What we used to call it? Row ji kai kahoge? Table the row ji kai kahoge? Column na kai kahoge?
Tuple.
Tuple, or record. Yai ko? Adagi column na kai kauba?
Domain.
Attribute. The name of the column is the attribute name. Okay, these are the attribute, and the information is the detailed information. We can say Tomba, which Tomba, row number 1, in which semester, second semester, MCA. Address is Uripo. The detailed information of Tomba is the record. The row is known as the record or tuple, and the column is known as the attribute. Okay, attribute means the information of a specific person, or the specific only one particular information. See, the Tomba means only the name Tomba. It's not related to the other. That is the column. Okay, roll number, that means roll number 1, 3, 7, 10. That is the attribute. One particular information only, not all the information. Okay. So now I have inserted one row into the table. Now I want to see whether that inserted information is in the table or not. Table just use the select star or asterisk. Right, they select from student. Then table see. Now see the schema also we have seen here: name, roll number, semester, address. Direct the name of the attribute you need. Then the information I have inserted is Tomba, row number 1, MCS, second semester, Uripo. Like that you can insert the other information also. Tigi syntax sima table sida ai harake sida irake ko noi si madi syntax sama irake ko database creation gi database creation For syntax. Create database. Then name of the database. Database name. Example the create database. Database the MCA has. Yeah. Then how to use the database. Syntax the use database name. Example use MCA. Yareko? Number 3 the how to create table. Syntax the ची अहोबो बगी खरा तमना ने समाय इरगा तौवानी को अनोय से हाइरगा दे हायें यम थुना तौबा यानी सिना अमोय अंग खंगदबा नोय खरा कना तौबा यावबो जिंगदो कंप्यूटर बेगान यावदब जिंगदो मोयगिनी मरोयना खल्लागनी आइनो जिक टाइप तौनागा तौरिजे को syntax the create table then table name. So the attribute name. Attribute 1 then data type. Then size within bracket the size of the data type. Matter toro apamba how many attribute you want to put. Example create table then suppose the name of the table is student then the attribute name is name Barker, the data type is Barker, size is 20, comma, then roll number, integer, size is 20, then semester, Barker, size is 20, then address. The type is Barker 20, close the bracket, and that with semicolon. This is the example, okay. Number next, 3 or money. Three the 4 for the insert. How to insert information, how to insert data into the table. Syntax the insert into table name. Here values. So the attribute 1 की value हाको तब को My thong example the insert lal. Insert into table name, that is the student values. First one is name, that is character Tomba. Then roll number, that is 1. Then semester, that is Barker MCA. Then address is Barker. Semicolon, like this. If you want to display the table contents, display all the informations. Syntax select star means select all. Okay, information display tawada. Suppose if you want to display only one particular information like Tomba, so here you have to set the primary key or some unique values. Okay, there you have to give some particular conditions. Okay, that will come later on. Select star from table name. And that will semicolon. Then example the select star from this table student. Sisingje hayradra. Haini ko adu ngasi kano do install tawro, MySQL do install tawro. Haytragadi hayeng ai demo tawosu tawge, haydi hayne khale. Ka adu demo tawge adu ka kano to. Sigi table no database ama semo, database ama gi manungda table ahum gumba thamo. Ko table ahum thamo adu ko information khara store tawro. Adu assignment oina oyo ko. Assignment na submit tawgadaba. Yadra? Yeah, sibu tawji ko.
No.
No roll
Ma'am,
number.
ako'y notes ko makitang upload tawbiro kinoda.
Tawrage.
Basket.
Sisu tawra.
Tawbiro.
Tawbiro, ma'am.
Yeah. Ngasi tawrage yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Roll number jing thalo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, kainomta hangzage. Huziki queries singse ma'am case sensitive oibra.
Case sensitive oide.
Oideba.
Oidaba haise ko kano de table query syntax sing do. Adudi case sensitive oidabane ko. Aduga noina samna hada mi mamingda aina tomba haraga ti do achawbo ina change khaloba. Adu nang horen display torokpada tomba do ti achawbo ina kaneba kaiguma nang small oi changadi small oi rakani adadi case sensitive lakani. Yani ko.